I went away for the weekend and so I didn't have time to make my regular video on the weekend because I usually do that on Saturday or Sunday, Saturday and Sunday or whatever. So I just got home today and I made chocolate chip cookie bars. How about that? They're quick, they're easy, and they're delicious. Please watch and see how I make them in about 10 minutes. Put them in the oven for about 20 minutes and let them cool and cut them up. And I'm going to taste one right now. It's still hot. Oh my gosh. Super duper good. And I'm not just saying that. They really are. Cut them up into as many pieces as you want. Share them with your friends. Try not to eat the whole pan yourself. Enjoy. Chocolate chip cookie bars. I'll tell you about my visit with my nieces in one of the shorts. But they were trying to help me cook and they were delightful. I love being with my nieces. But they still wanted me to cook. I made 2 cakes. I made breakfast. I had the best time. I'll tell you in one of my shorts. Check them out. I told you last week I was going to do the monkey. This may be one of my best. I wonder what is going to be my best dance. You guys tell me what you've liked so far the most. My monkey? Or some of those other wonderful dances that I've done. Well, this is what happened. I went away for the weekend and I usually make my videos on the weekend. So I come back and I'm making a video. So I was trying to think of what would I make if I was in a jam and I needed to bake something really quick. And that would be chocolate chip cookie bars. So although Sam is getting ready to bark already, I think when he sees me standing in the kitchen, he decides he's gonna bark. Anyway, they're easy. You just dump everything in the thing, mix it up, pour it in the pan, bake it, cut them up. Boom. So we're gonna get to it. It's gonna be a quick video, quick lesson, and they actually come out delicious. So here I go, getting my apron on. Get your apron on too. And I'm of course gonna ask you to do my favorite things. I want you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And put your apron on. We'll be right back and we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookie bars. Right back. Here we go. 2 sticks of butter. To this 2 sticks of butter, we're gonna add the sugar. So we're using 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. After butter and sugar, you add the eggs. Then we add the flour. And this is one of the big differences between most cookies and cake. There's no milk. All the liquid ingredients are the butter and the sugar. So I'm gonna add the dry ingredients all together. And that is, I can't remember, 2 1/4 cups of flour and a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. We always try to add a little salt to our sweet things because the salt balances out all that sweet. You could really taste the difference if you don't put the salt in. I told you, dump it all in, stir it all up. One teaspoon of vanilla. Cookie dough. presto changeo. Less than 10 minutes, you have cookie dough. So you're saying, I don't see chocolate chips. That's because I don't. So I want to make sure that everything got mixed in before I add the chocolate chips and the nuts. Make sure everything is mixed together before you add the chocolate chips. 8 ounces of chocolate chips. Use the kind you like. I usually use dark chocolate chips, but I'm giving these away, and they may not like the dark chocolate chips. And a cup of nuts. Just stir it up pretty slow. It doesn't take very long for it to get mixed together. There you go. That is good chocolate chip cookie dough with nuts. I got flour on it from when I was sifting the flour. Doesn't matter. It's a non-stick pan, but even if it's not a non-stick pan, you don't have to spray it. Cookies you don't usually need to spray, even if you're making them in a pan. Pour all the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet. It's going to be stiff like this. Spread it out in the pan. Don't get every single iota spread. It'll spread out itself a little, just a little. So you try to get all of it and try to make it kind of even. Here's your pan. Put in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you were just making cookies, it only takes about 11 minutes. But because this is a whole pan and you're cooking it, you have to make sure the whole thing gets done. So I'll meet you back here after I take it out the oven. See you back here in a little bit. Here we are, out of the oven. I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest desserts to make. I'm just gonna cut it up. I'm trying to decide if I wanna make them small or big. So, I'm just gonna slice them. You need a good sharp knife for this. And then slice them the other way. Did I tell you I let them cool? I did let them cool for about 15 minutes. So this is a big one. And look at that. Ta-da. So you can have as many as you want, as few as you want. A quick, easy dessert to make. So you try it. Make some chocolate chip cookie bars. Anyway, so you try that. But before you try that, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and forward. I'll see you the next time.